Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning on behalf of Texcoms Textile Solutions and Texcoms worldwide. First of all, I will request all of you to mute yourself so that the program can go without any hindrance. I hope that you all know about our company. Texcoms worldwide, the company headquartered in Singapore and Indonesia. We are a registered organization in Singapore. Headquarters is in Indonesia, in Bandung. We are working in about 62 countries. We have three vertical pillars. One is a machinery business, where we buy used machines, upgrade them, and then sell the machines to others with a 1-year warranty and after sales, like any other new machinery manufacturer. We are a reputed company, and we are in existence almost for 25 years now. It has been started by Mr. Bhubalan, Mr. Thakkar, Mr. Rajaguru Raja, and a few others who are all textile professionals. They all joined together and started this organization. So we are now present in about 62 different countries. And the second vertical is a trading vertical where we do raw material, yarn, and fabrics. It's a global trading. And the third vertical is a textile consultancy division. We have two organizations here. One is the Texcoms Textile Solutions. The other one is Visista India Private Limited. Now, we take pleasure in presenting this very informative and knowledge sharing event, which is profit management through TDABC costing. What is TDABC costing? Is time-driven, activity-based costing. Now, it's a concept that is gaining popularity all over the world, and we are here to welcome Dr. Vetrivel. And I should first of all start with thanking Mr. G. Raghu of our company, who has introduced Dr. Vetrivel, and now he's a part of our organization. And we would like to present this new scope to all our customers, all our vendors, all our contacts throughout the world in textile industry. Actually, Dr. Vetrivel, very interesting to know that in Tamil we say, Katrathu Kaimannalavu, Kallathu Ulagalavu. So there is no end to learning. So he started as a diploma in textile technology from Rajapalayam and graduated in AMIE, went on to MBA at Annamalai University. Then he did his MPhil at Vinayaga Mission Salem. Then he went on to the crux of the PhD, which is a crowning glory in his educational career. And when he started in diploma, it was 1983. When he completed his PhD, it is 2014. This proves his commitment to education. And he has been working in all very good mills like Ramalinga Mills, Lakshmi Mills, Venkatesa Mills, Subiksha Spinners, Rajnarayan Textiles, and Nimbark Fashions Limited. Actually, today morning, I was looking at my LinkedIn. Some program popped up and somebody has posted about root cause analysis. And this root cause analysis, the first tool is the Fishbone Diagram. The Fishbone Diagram was actually, we can say it was invented or proposed by a fish eater called Dr. Ishikawa in the year 1982. And this is a very good tool in problem solving through root cause analysis. So we have brought out also a brochure in a short period on this particular costing methodology. He has even said that in textile spinning today, is not an option anymore. It is a must. So every spinning mill has to adopt this system rather than the traditional costing methodology, so that it can ensure profits. It can also ensure that the right product is manufactured basing on the costing and the market price, so that the profitability of a spinning mill can be maximized by using this system. So we are proud to offer this system now. We are also working on a software so that apart from the Excel sheet, software also can be used. Now the point is, whoever is coming to us, our customers, Dr. Vetrivel will send just a simple format for about 2-3 pages. And if you fill it up and send back to us, and he can work on the initial analysis and then make a proposal, and we can visit the mills and do the costing, and then we can implement it. So we would like to offer this system to everybody, and not only offering this system, we will implement that and ensure that you are profitable. Without wasting much more time, we'd like to ask Dr. Vetrivel to start his presentation. Welcome, Dr. Vetrivel. And we also would like to welcome all of you, even though, it's Friday and then it's 10 o'clock, everybody is assembled on time. So we are already, we have crossed over 50 participants. We hope we'll cross about 300 by the time, the lecture starts itself. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the introduction. Good morning to all. I'm Dr. Vetrivel from Coimbatore. Today we are going to see a very good tool that is very much important to analyze the process costing and to select the product mix according to the resources available in the factory, so that we can maximize the profit potential of the factory. I am very great and a pleasure to work with the Texcoms company, and particularly to concentrate on this implementing profit management system. We are going to see first what is time-driven activity-based costing. And then Kaizen costing and target costing, it is for part of the profit improvement and how the ring frame and the other departments are contributing to the cost, and how we are going to reduce the cost by adjusting the process parameter of each and every process. This time-driven activity-based costing is created by Dr. Robert S. Kaplan. He is a professor of Harvard University. He is now running around 80. Actually, when I have taken that BST, most of the people have recommended don't take this subject. It is not possible to complete, because here I don't find anybody is practicing this. But what I have did, because I have made one small 10-page abstract to Dr. Kaplan by email. In the evening, I will send the email, and in the morning, that is in the morning of USA timing, and in the midnight of Indian timing, I will receive the reply from Dr. S. Kaplan. I will come to your report, short report. So after his reply, I have purchased his book titled Time-Driven Activity-Based Costing, and fine-tuned the correction wherever it is required, and I have proceeded for analyzing 10 mill case study. Now, what is time-driven activity-based costing? Time-driven activity-based costing is an accounting methodology that assigns cost to the activities, not to the product. The traditional cost methodology will always assign the cost to the product. When it is assigned to the product, it will mislead the costing. So, time-driven activity-based costing will be, so the process-based costing with the addition of time. For example, for every 8 hours, one machine, what will be the power consumption? What will be the labor it is taking? What will be the spare it is consuming? So each machine, what we are allocating per 8 hours, how much the resource it consumes. So based on the resource consumption, we are calculating the cost. In the traditional methodology, they will cumulate everything. Then they will product wise, they will divide. So it will give overcosting and undercosting. That was very much being eliminated in this methodology, so that the actual perfect consumption of process-wise, product-wise will be taken for the calculating the cost. Now, the traditional costing, cost to product in the ring frame, this is the production. So how much production according to the production, say 25,000 rupees per day is the cost per ring frame. What is the cost per the production of 20s? Say for 20s 400 kg. So 25,000 divided by 400 kg is the cost per kg. For hundreds, say 80 kg. 25,000 divided by 80 kg. This much is the cost. This is the traditional costing methodology. They will not consider the activities and the actual resource consumption. In the activity-based mean, say for example, if we are increasing the dollar speed of the particular product, it will not be included in the process cost, in the costing of traditional methodology. That is called the cost driver. Say dollar speed is a cost driver, delivery hang is a cost driver, waste percentage in the carding is a cost driver, because it is driving the cost. If you increase the dollar speed, the cost per kg of the carding will come down. If the dollar speed is reduced, the cost per kg of the particular process will go up. Likewise, the hang, waste, everything. So even a small adjustment, what we are making in the process, it will reflect on the costing. So approximately 160 cost drivers are there to arrive with the costing of a particular product. Fishbone diagram, it is called cause effect analysis. It is very much used. If we adjust one factor, it will reflect on the outcome. That is the concept. So we are going microwave. So what is the category? I will explain the next slide. Say for example, raw material, it is the fishbone, one bone. Under raw material, what is the cost per kg of the cotton? What is the dross percentage? What is the yarn realization? If we change anything, it will reflect on the outcome of the cost, the product cost. It is called process based and actual resource consumption based costing. So if you take labor, what is the per 8-hour labor, what is the workload? If you increase the workload or decrease the workload in a particular product, not in a entire mill, in a particular, we have to consider in the particular product, so that it will reflect on the calculation of particular product costing alone.